Good morning, student. Next half a portion is already completed about the demography, and next half a portion is a continuing by this video. So next one is a uh, uh, migrations rates. How we calculate about the migrations rate, that is contributing the 2 points. बट फ़िलहाल हम ये देखते हैं कि माइग्रेशन होता क्या है. तो पहला है माइग्रेशन होती क्या है. So it referred geographical movement of population involving a change of usual residence between the clearly defined geographical unit, and it is also divided into two portions. The first one is immigration and immigration. So immigration, so what is the immigrations rate? That means the number of immigrate arriving at destinations per thousand population at that destinations in a given year. That is the immigrations. And immigration rate, that means the process of having one country to take up permanent or semi permanent residence is another. That one is there, and that is all about the immigration and immigration. Next one is a net migration. So what is a net migration? That one is net migrations, that means that show the net effect of immigration and immigrations on areas particular populations. That one is a express if the population is increased, that is the sign is a plus, and if the population is decreased, so that the sign is a minus. Per thousand population of the area in a given area, that is a net migrations. And come to the next point, that one is the method of data collections. In which methods we can use for collecting the data for calculating those rate and ratios. The first one is a questionnaire. So questionnaire, it is the set of the questions, or it is the main instrument for collecting the data. In survey, basically it is a set of the standardized questions. It is uh, in that the asking the some questions to the patients or the family members regarding their health. Next one is the interviewing. In interviewing is the essentials structural conversations where one participants are asked the questions to the another, and another participants provide the answers. Next one is the observations. In observation is a it is a way of collection of data through the observing. It is the simplest method of data collection. It does not require any technical knowledge. And surveillance, that means uh, it is the ongoing collection of analysis and uh, disseminations of health related data to provide informations that can be used to monitor and improve the health of the populations. And health survey, that means the health survey is a uh, health survey is conducting by the health facilitator or the community health nurses to know about the health conditions of any families or individuals. So this is all about the method of data collection, then how we are collecting the data to calculating the death rates and birth rates. Next one is the impact of populations growth. So this one is the agriculture impacts. Many types of the impacts that are also affected the our various this type of sites. First one is the agricultural impact. In agricultural impact, the due to overpopulation, that will reduce the lands areas and also reduce the agriculture productions. And economic impact, due to overcrowding or due to overpopulation, the growth of populations is relatively very high. in rural areas, and it has a distributed the lands man ratio. It also increase the problem of unemployment and reduce per capita income. And urbanization that result from a natural and that result from a natural increasement in the populations and rural to urban migrations. And food and nutrition impacts, like it reduce sorry ha it reduce it cause that means overpopulation is caused the reductions of food supplies and also food stuffs that create the risk of the malnutrition and also PEM. That means the nutritional disorder is also developed from the overpopulations. And literacy and education. So due to overcrowding or overpopulation, it reduces the quality of teaching and learning, also that creating the negative effects in the students or school going children. And employment impacts, that one is due to overpopulation, the job opportunity may be reduced, and that may be lead the high competitions for any job requirements. And clothing and housing, clothing and clothing and housing impacts, that means due to overpopulations, the human cannot gain the proper houses or cannot find the proper lands for making their houses. And that also creating the lots of problems in the human beings. And the healthcare system, so due to overcrowding or overpopulation, the equal distribution of health services cannot be possible. So this type of the impacts is come from the overgrowth of population or overpopulation. So this is all about the demographics. So thank you.